Welcome back, everyone. I'm N.R.T, and on today's video we'll be doing an unboxing from one of our longtime channel sponsors, Blue Demon Welding Products. So I've done some reviews for them in the past, and I saw they had this 140 welder, and I was like, you want to send me one? And they're like, sure. So they sent me one to review on the channel to show you how it is, so when you go spend your hard-earned money to buy it, you know if it's junk or not. Because I only do real reviews. If this is junk, I will tell you if it's junk. If it's badass, I'll tell you if it's badass. We're also going to do a competition between this and my Lincoln Electric 140 MP. They're basically almost identical machines, but just different brands. This one is a lot smaller in size, but I think welding wise it's the same. So we'll check that out on an upcoming video. So hit that subscribe button for me and leave me a like, because you won't want to miss that. So we'll go ahead and open this up. Move that over there. Did already open it up because I was wondering what the heck this was. Wasn't supposed to arrive till another week, but it arrived today. Always good when you get stuff early. Got the operator's manual right there. Set that aside. I rarely ever read those. Kind of old school, just go for it. And they sent me another banner to set up in the small shop we're in right now. This is ATV shop, if you guys don't know. I also got a tractor shop where they did send me some rod and some gloves and some wire. So I have their banner in there too. I'm wearing their shirt right now. So go ahead and pull the unit out. Whoa. There is your ground clamp. Set that on the side. Here is your little wrench and your tips. And here's your stinger right here. And here is, check that out. Well, I can tell you right now, that feels a lot better than the Lincoln. I know some jackass, excuse my language if there's kids watching, but some jackass is probably going to say, well, you're just saying that because they sent you a free welder. No, I'm not. Surprisingly, I've had even Lincoln Electric think about wanting to send me welders, but they said they were, and then they changed their mind, so they never really did. But we're gonna see, because not everyone, I mean, them Lincolns, them Millers, and these ESOBs, I mean, they can get up to $10,000 real quick. And welding, I mean, the majority of welding I do is on little crap. ATV frames, go-kart frames, mower decks, the whole 9 yards. But these littler welders are great for that. But I mean, that Lincoln 140 MP, I paid $1,100 for when I bought it. And that was 3 years ago. This little guy, I believe you can get for $350 if I'm correct. I'll put a link in the description to Blue Demon's website. Go check them out, and I'll put all the information about the welder. But that is it right there. And this is used. I do want to note that they had to do some marketing stuff with it before they sent it to me, but that's no issue. So basically, it is a wire feed welder. If I didn't already say, it can do stick, MIG. I'm not 100% sure if it can do TIG. Probably should read the operator's manual. Okay, I'm gonna assume I'm pretty sure it can do TIG. Not 100% sure. Don't hold me on that. But I am 100% sure it can do MIG and stick and flex core, which is what I'm majority going to use this for. I really don't do enough welding to make it smart enough to use argon as shielding gas, because you need that if you don't use flex core wire. But here's where your spool go. We're going to use our 11-pound spool. Hopefully it'll fit in here. I believe it should. My 11-pound spool of Blue Demon wire 035. That's in my 140 right now. We're going to put that in here. And we're going to test this out on the next video on the welder. But their settings are all right here. It's all digital, it looks like. Very nice. It's not digital on my 140. But I ain't seeing, I do want to note, I ain't seen the help sheet. Because on my 140, there's on this panel, there's a help sheet on the inside to tell you the thickness and stuff. So, that's kind of a little annoying, because if you're not too familiar with welding, that definitely helps you out if you're a hobby welder. And power button like that. We go ahead and check that all out. And then you got, like I said, this is a MIG welder, so you got your gas port right there for your argon. And it also doesn't come with the gauges, I just realized. My Lincoln came with the gauges, so I don't know if they didn't send them with this, or if they just don't come with the welder in general. But there ain't gauges, and that, I don't know how much those gauges are, but that's another thing. But you also gotta remember, this is a $350 welder, not a $1,100 welder. So they gotta cut some stuff out. We just hope it's not the quality. So, huge thanks to Blue Demon for sending this out. And I'll put a link in the description to the website. Go check them out. Go check out the welder. And if you want to see this thing get tested, I highly recommend to subscribe if you haven't. And turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video. Because we will be making some videos on testing this. And then we're going to do a comparison between this and the 140 Lincoln. And we're going to see, is it worth to go the cheaper route? Or is it worth to spend extra money and get a Lincoln? Who knows? We'll find out. I'll catch you guys all there. Thanks for stopping by, and thank you, Blue Demon, for continuing to support the channel. And I look forward to working with you guys more, and I'll catch you on the next one.